What's up guys, it's Jordan here from Underground Tuning, and today I'm going to show you how to install a smart access cable in your 2018 Plus Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300. Not only in the 2018 Plus are you required to unlock your PCM, but you need to install this smart access cable. This helps us bypass the security system in the Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300. Now there's only 4 things you need to install a smart access cable. All you need is a 3/8 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic removal tool. Now let's go ahead and grab our 10mm socket and disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk, and then we're gonna come right here and disconnect the negative terminal. Next, we're gonna head to the driver's side of the vehicle and go ahead and install our smart access cable. All right, and now we're gonna remove this panel right here. All you need is your plastic removal tool. Stick it in there a little bit. Comes right off with ease. And now that we have the panel off, there's 2 screws right here, and here. We're gonna take our Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 bolts. And now that we have the panel and the bolts taken out on the side, we're gonna take our plastic removal tool, dig in there a little bit, pry it off. There's a clip right here and right here. Then on the other side, there's a clip right here, and this just drops all the way down. That easy. All right guys, now that we dropped the dash, I can show you where the security bypass module sits. It'll sit right here. And as you can see, this top connector right here, just put your finger in there and remove it. And now what we'll do is we'll grab this connector right here, and then we'll plug it in like so. Now that it's clipped in there, and now we'll go ahead and plug it back in the connector like so. All right, and now that our smart access cable is installed, we'll go ahead and reinstall the dash like so. And now that we got the bottom of the dash reinstalled, we're going ahead and secure it with our 2 screws. And now that our screws are reinstalled, we're going to reinstall this back panel. And now we got our smart access cable installed, let's go ahead and reconnect the negative terminal. Now you're ready to install your new Underground tune.